Some vans are built to take a lot of people place to place, while others are built to go for a week-long adventure off-grid. On today's episode of Tourig Tours, we're going to show you a van that does both really well. Hey everyone, Justin at Tourig. If you like watching our build walkthrough videos, our educational videos, or our how-to videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and even leave a comment on this video below. Fatoli was designed to move people from A to B and to do it in style. Comes equipped with the dual AGM power system, a max fan, and of course, super comfortable Scheelman seats. This van also comes equipped with an upgraded suspension kit from Agile Off-Road, which helps get this van places others just can't reach and keep you confident while driving in harsher terrain. Let's dive into some of the technical specs to show you how capable this rig really is. Starting on the outside, this van comes with an Aluminous side ladder, a set of all-terrain 265/70 17 tires, Black Rhino Arsenal wheels to add some much-needed traction on those trails. Speaking of trails, we've got you covered with our full upgraded suspension kit from Agile Off-Road to keep your rig running smooth off-road, and a set of Baja LP lights for when the sun goes down. Moving up, we've got the Tourig roof rack and Yakima cargo box, perfect for storing any equipment that you wouldn't want to keep in the van. And installed on the roof, you'll find a max air fan, great for air circulation. Let's head inside for some more great features. The first thing you'll notice on this layout is the amount of seating it has, which is great for traveling with family and friends when driving across the country. And once you've reached your destination, our removable bed in the back is just what you need to rest up for your next day of activities. Speaking of activities, we also have our L-Track system installed underneath the bed, which is great for storing your bike, gear, or anything else that needs to be locked down or stored away. Finally, at the driver's side, we have the S-Pod system located near the steering wheel, which is perfect for controlling auxiliary lights, air compressors, and any other devices you may install in your own van. If you have any questions on this build or any of our other builds, feel free to call us or check out our website.